this video. I hope you like it. We wanted to show you a bit of what happened on our trip. We are now almost 2 years on the continent America, and this is our day by day. A little Isabella,
hi,
is right here. We just got back from Sturgis, and we're still in South Dakota on the way to the East Coast now. You can see Isabella's tattoo.
Oh yeah.
We still leave it up to you to decide if it's real or not.
Yes.
You know? No, anyways, we wanted to thank you for sticking with us for this time. And in this video it's just a little summary of where we went. Just so you know, we went from Canada east to west up to Alaska, and from Alaska we went all the way through the lower 48 in the United States to Baja California. Spent a few months on Baja California. Our parents visited. We turned around. We got a second time in the United States, and then we went all the way up to Montana, and now we are in South Dakota. So yeah, enjoy with us.
Hey guys, I always use this opportunity to thank our patron, $20 pledge patron, Brave Star. Thanks a lot to keep with us, and for all the new patrons that we have. Everybody new in the YouTube is amazing. We have almost 20,000 people. It's really nice. We are really glad with how everything is going. Thanks a lot.
So whoever doesn't know what Patreon is, please check it out. And it's kind of a subscription thing. You can be a part of Live and Give 4x4. You can support us if you like. You can also see extra videos. In the rewards you can also see some things we do, like you can have an online meeting with us. You can talk about our lifestyle, how this is possible, how we manage personally, how did we decide for this rig, what's the mileage on this rig, etc. All your questions that are on your chest, you may ask there. And just take the chance, be a part of Live and Give 4x4. We want to create basically this community, and we are happy how this all developed. I mean, we just started out of nothing, and thanks for following us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Just push all those buttons and try out what's happening. And yes, this lifestyle is possible. It is really possible for a lot of people. If you just want it, you can do it. So stay tuned, and much appreciated that you watch. See ya.
Thank you. Bye bye.
And of course, one more thing. On YouTube, we are in Alaska right now, but we entered Alaska last September. So please give us this credit for editing. We are a little behind, and this video now is actually up to date. But we try to keep the chronological order on YouTube. So all of this is going to come. We have a lot of stuff, we have a lot of material to edit, and a lot of things happened. So just stay tuned. Thank you again. Thanks again, and see you when we see you.